Let's start. The project name is Checkbox. Let's see the project structure. This is the main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. These are the two checkboxes, A and B. Let's see the code. So, we have constraint layout as the root layout. This is checkbox A. And this is checkbox B. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app_compat activity. Also, the main activity implements onClickListener, which has an overridden method, onClick. These are the two checkboxes, A and B. In onCreate function, we set the onClick listeners of both the checkboxes. In onClick function, first, we get the checkbox view, and see if it is checked or not, and store it in a Boolean variable. Then, we see if the user has clicked checkbox A or B. If checkbox A is clicked, then we see if the checkbox is checked or unchecked. We do the same for checkbox B. Let's run the app now. So as you can see, when I click checkbox A, the toast shows if it is checked or unchecked. Same happens when I click checkbox B. So that's it. That's how you can use Checkbox in Java Android. Thanks for watching.